Good luck.
Alright, you can go first.
Oh, I can go first?
Yeah, well, why don't you open yours at the same time?
Well, that's bad
Bad
luck.
luck.
That's bad luck now.
Yep, you lost. Ooh, Master Ball. Ooh.
Ooh,
nice.
There you go. Well, I think
It's a
you
nice
won.
little double hit.
Yeah, you should drop your cards more often.
Nice. Let me see here.
If it works again, we're all dropping our pack.
Ooh, Frillish.
Oh, geez, I think you won the pack battles for sure.
You got anything you're looking for? Can I help you with anything?
All right, you open it.
There's something.
Clefairy! Not a bad double to have.
No, it's not. It's probably my third.
He opened it. He does
did,
have all the
see?
luck.